Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Insurance Navy Affiliate Network, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with the Insurance Navy Affiliate Network, begin by visiting the Insurance Navy website. Locate the Affiliate Programs section on the home page. Click on the link to learn more about the affiliate program. Read through the program details to understand the benefits and requirements. Once you are informed, find the Sign Up or Join Now button. Click on the button to proceed to the registration form. Fill out the necessary personal information such as your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Provide additional details like your phone number or address if requested. Next, include any relevant information about your marketing experience or channels. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program carefully. Check the box to accept the terms if you agree with them. Submit your application by clicking the Submit or Register button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in to the affiliate portal. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available marketing materials. Start promoting Insurance Navy products using your unique affiliate link. Monitor your performance and track your earnings through the portal. Continue to engage with the affiliate network for updates and new promotional resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.